Are you struggling with your content strategy? Do you want to take your content marketing efforts to the next level? In this video, we will show you how to improve your content strategy with Google Analytics Insights. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that businesses can use to gain insights into their website traffic, user behavior, and content performance. By using these insights, businesses can optimize their content and improve their content marketing efforts. AI-powered tools can help businesses create high-quality content in less time. By analyzing user data and preferences, AI can help businesses personalize their content to their target audience. With the help of AI-powered tools, businesses can also optimize their content for better performance. By analyzing their content, businesses can identify areas of improvement, including readability, SEO optimization, and keyword density. AI can also help businesses analyze their content and identify areas where they can improve the readability, tone, and style of the content. By using Google Analytics Insights and AI-powered tools, businesses can improve their content marketing efforts and achieve better results. So, if you want to take your content strategy to the next level, start using Google Analytics Insights and AI-powered tools today.